but by far my favorite project, and I talk about this all the time, as far from a portfolio standpoint, stuff like that. My favorite project that I've ever done, well, it's multiple, it was a series of them. We did a ton of them, but we built a bunch of the SeaQuest Interactive Aquariums. Those, because there's so many dynamics to it, because you're basically taking like 6 or 7 stores inside a mall, demolishing them, and then building an aquarium inside a mall. And so you're having to interact with water and drywall and framing and fish and goats and kikajus and, otters. And I mean, and then, when you're building these enclosures, they all got to be USDA inspected. So you have to build the closures to USDA requirements. So not always the architect is on the same page with that. So, sometimes they design stuff that we're like, it can't be an enclosure because that's not going to pass USDA inspection for that animal. So they were very one-off. On those projects, I had a ton of input on the design work, the colors. We built a really good team where we partnered with the themers, and they had themers that came out of Vegas that do all the hotel work in Vegas and all the design work in Vegas. And so where they're, making boulders out of rock and, making ships come out of walls, and really, really cool projects. And I think I built like 6 or 7 of those. And it was just, it was one of those ones where it's a design build project. We had to be on site all the time because we had to make constant changes in the field. And, but they were just fun projects. We actually all become a really good team. Several of those people that worked for other companies actually now work for me. I'm still friends with everybody that we did those projects with. And that was by far, we went to some really cool locations. That was by far one of my favorite projects we ever did.